Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. Do you guys remember a couple of months back when we did the first two-tone white with black Cybertruck? Well, today I want to show you the complete opposite, one that we've never done before. As you can see, the upper half of the Cybertruck from the body line up has been wrapped using TMaxx Hyper Gloss Black PPF, our most popular color. People love the depth of the TMaxx film. It is really glossy, almost a mirror effect. I love it. I have it on my Cybertruck. Now, let's talk about this two-tone. The lower half of the Cybertruck, below the body line, has been wrapped in TMaxx Gloss PearlPeak White. So now you've got this really cool, high contrast, gloss black, gloss white appearance on this Cybertruck, and it looks really cool, especially since we also tinted the windows using 3M ceramic IR film to cool the interior, protect your skin, and to give it this really great look, because I think if the windows were not tinted, it might not look as cool. So that's great. Now let's jump right into the wheels. I love our CTM wheels. These are our 22-inch fully forged wheels, finished in gloss black, of course. That's the proper fit for this overall appearance and theme. But here's something new. Check this out. These are 22s. It's a great size. Falcon tires. We love our friends at Falcon, but check out our new floating center cap. This is our center cap assembly that covers up the lug nuts and the mounting hardware to give you that really good looking monoblock appearance, but the T-sportline logo has changed. In the past, we had our stacked logo, which everybody loved. But you know what? On a Cybertruck, it deserves our T-sportline logo in the Cyber graffiti font. So that's a new look for us. Look for that on all fully forged floating center cap wheels in all sizes from us starting right now. That's it. This truck's a wrap. Customers coming to pick it up shortly. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, if you love our content and you'd like to see more of it, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel.